gosh, you know, I'm so excited to be going out. We haven't been out in forever with the girls. Like, this is going to be awesome. Let's go. Hey, girls! How are y'all? Look at these shots.
Ladies, you see that wall over there? I had one of those put in my house. I
love that. It's so rustic and like vintage looking.
And it actually has like shelves built in, and there's actually a barn door.
You had shelves in yours put in?
Yes,
oh,
it's
wow.
awesome. When we go to my house later, I'll have to show you.
What's behind the barn door?
You can hide anything behind the barn
Heck
door.
yes! So that guy that's sitting at the corner, don't all look, but he has been creeping on us the whole freaking time we've been here. It's just really uncomfortable that men just feed off of women when they're alone like that.
Ladies, give you drinks here. Sorry.
That's what it is.
I didn't know there's so many of you. I got one more.
Is he serious right now?
This happens every time we come out.
No. You don't know what he's done to that. Dude, we're having ladies' night. You've got to find somewhere else to go. Like, we're not interested.
You know what, ladies? You guys are not worth it. I'm sorry. You're not worth it.
All right, bye. Carry on.
Bro, hey, you need to leave those ladies alone. I'm just letting you know.
You know what, girls? This is getting ridiculous. Let's just leave here. Let's go back to my house. No one's going to mess with us there, all right?
Sounds good.
Let's go.
Is he really still staring at us right now?
I know. Let's just get
Creep.
out of here.
Shotgun. So, how many shots do y'all think we should take tonight each? Not all
5
together.
minimum.
Ball out, team. Ball out. That's what I say.
If we're conscious, we didn't drink
It was
enough.
one time. Okay. Night. It's ladies' night. Woo! It's ladies' night. I'm so excited.
Inside.
Oh, wow.
All right, ladies, I got to show you what I did. You have to come. You have to come check this out.
All this talk, baby.
So, I did a thing. Y'all like it? You love it? So let me show you the coolest part. Bam!
Oh my God, that is so cool.
Isn't that awesome?
Holy
All right,
crap,
so this is cool, but we need drinks. All right, so let's get drinks. All
All
right, cheers, ladies.
Cheers. What was that?
What the hell was that?
Did you hear that?
Y'all keep playing, I'll go check.
Okay.
I think there's somebody out there.
Are you serious? Is it a man?
I don't know, maybe I'm seeing things. I did take that shot.
Yeah, oh well. Okay. Cheers.
Somebody else is here.
Just put down a card this time.
Okay.
There it is.
Oh my
again.
God, this is ridiculous. What is going on?
I'm kind of getting scared.
Yeah. Oh my God, y'all call the cops. I don't think we invited you to this party.
I told you not to fuck with ladies night out.